Good morning, guys. Can't even see me. It's very early in the morning. We're still in Jamaica. We're gonna go fishing today, so it's super early. I have some fever grass tea, and I'm gonna drink that, and we're gonna get ready to go fishing, yard style. Who wants some mango? Robin. Hey, bud. No, sir. Robin. Yo, we are the worst at this, no?
What you saying, do?
What?
What? Sick, man. Oh.
Okay, guys, we're going fishing. We're going fishing. We're all prepped. Yeah. So just use the line and the line and the hook. That's it.
Yeah, me have 3 already.
No fishing rod. Nothing. If you want to see this,
No fishing rod. This is my use.
that's the witness this. So we are do it again.
So I forgot rubber, no?
Hey! Bring it. Hey guys, we're going fishing, so we're stopping to get some snacks. Say hi, Michelle. Miss Lady, you can say big up One Life Adventures TV.
Big up One Life Adventures TV.
Yes, where is your shop located?
It is located at Main Street, Berrydale, Porus, Manchester.
All right, thank you. See there.
One Life. That's how you go. Brawling. Just reach his spot. Mad dog, what you say? Fully. What you say, Baba? How much we are catch today? How much we are catch today?
I know. Million.
What you say? Many?
Millions.
We not make nothing broke with vibes today, dog. Nothing.
Yeah, we clean up the doing now, yeah.
The ginger, yeah. I want to look at ginger.
A bow-legged goat. Hey, wagwan. Pussy. Watch him. Ma follow your picture, you know? So bow-leg.
Bow-leg.
That's Hey guys, we're going fishing. Watch Mary the Dutchie. Oh. Watch Michelle, watch Vivian. Let's go. Hope you're nice. Okay guys, we're going fishing. We had a little rough start this morning, but we're back on the trails. Mario coming. Say hi, guys. Yep. We're in, where were they? Porous, Manchester. Yeah. I don't know, go down there. Guys, I thought this was gonna be an easy trek. Nope. We're not reach yet. I'm sorry, you alright? No, sir. We better get some fish today, God no.
Better.
Cause trust me, guys, the hill if you come up here now, man. I'm so tired. You reach? Okay. Yeah, so we reach, so let's see how it goes. Whew. Hey, it's so nice up here. Wow. Oh my God. This is like a little, I want big place, man. Aki tree this? Where they? Oh yeah, Aki tree there, yeah. Wow. This is so peaceful. Wow. Right there. Wow, that's nice. Yeah, Aki and something. Guys, this is paradise. Look. Guys, it is so peaceful up here. It's unbelievable. So peaceful. And Maras up door. I guess I'm more. Then the line them now get caught up. Devin. Eh? Allah, eh? Yo, up your peaceful your hill. This is paradise. Look at that. Wow. This is in Porous, Manchester, Jamaica. See, expert them I set up anything down there, so. No, sir. Oh, maybe I did, yeah. Cause it almost looked man-made, not true. So maybe I did want all field or something and it flooded off of the mountains or something. Wow. It's nice. So we have food there. Is it? Eh? Oh, crab in there too?
I don't crab that, shrimps. Levin, the line come up, man. Pelly, we did give Pelly and Pelly and say. Where are they?
The big line.
No, man, the one funny cat there.
Oh, no, man, now look bucket, man.
Guys?
But now look a bucket. Look at my bucket.
The little one?
Yeah.
Yep, that's all.
And
We have a little one up there, so.
Look at me there, and the line you use.
See? Got some homemade fishing rods. See, generally,
Official, you know? Fully active. We make
Okay,
it pick.
guys.
We make it pick.
If you wanna come and do a local fishing tour, let me know. I can hook you up. Give you the link. Man, gone way over there, so in a few little spot, you know. Way over there, so. What you mean, no? Film like a spot, you know? Film place, you know, the spotting gone way over yonder.
Yes, I want to go and we don't say.
Oh, no, go on in.
Oh, go on.
You just land?
Just
Yeah?
But I'm me, a Keisha husband.
you see it.
Alright, okay, man.
Christian, I remember.
Oh, Nico, one is here. No palm for you.
Oh, you say you have to hook up your own. Alright. You can say big up One Life Adventures TV.
One Life Adventures TV.
Every time.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Up, up.
Right there. Not even one pick much this one lick. Like at this one we have to go to. What a bush mouth yonder. Let it go down, let it go. Let it.
You jump off in there?
Yes, me did.
Oh. Eh? Yeah, because they have the stuff, they what you call them, for hide under too, so you know, say boss always under there or something.
It's just hard even know that. Just hard not even know. I'm gonna pull up me here, me know.
Eh? You need to give me something to grow back from my head side or something. Grow back my edges. I just like nothing now going to feel over someone. You worm them. I'm sure you're not going to try your luck. Me cook, me help cook. No, sir.
What?
You have to go patent that the fishing pole, the man. Oh, so you just make you wait till you get a bite.
Yeah. Man,
Okay.
Spot one. Swear.
You want a Brazilian?
Yo.
They need to come. I wonder if they ever come skimp off there.
Really not now going for you. It's a third line door. When I say fish pick line boy, you're
We've gone way over this up on the next side. Guys, it's a bass. I want bass at you.
Yeah.
Yay! You worm them fat though.
If you did them before we come back, we know none there.
Want a striped bass. Want a striped bass. You still have the color of the water.
That thing can cover rice, you know. Yeah?
You hear them?
Me see them out there, man.
We out there, sir?
Mm-hmm.
So a heavy fish out there? You don't hear them?
I told me I fix me. This a line I go send out there so eventually, you know. But me I fix up the reinforced fish set back.
They're heavy out there, so man.
You send the line go we out, sir?
Yeah, if you me back the line. You not use the rod there. You not send out the rod, so the rod not so much line for it.
Where you stay? Hey, hey.
What's that, man?
Yeah. Let me see you. All right. Boss.
I tell her,
Okay.
a sweet sealer.
Are you still have your worm, you know?
Yeah. Can you long time in the pan, you know? Can you sink long time, you know? We never know.
Yo.
That's a bucket.
Which one I bucket let me put him in now?
Yeah, you want to put it on there, son.
He look like the one that dog was school still. Watch him. Hey, hey. You get one? Alive.
That fat one you get.
Eh?
The original, you know.
You get one for you? Let me see.
Catch long time.
Alive. What? Okay.
Me don't spell them still a virgin. Catch long time. That long worm they use it to catch him. And that long worm they. Because long. You have to catch him.
A guy over there say it can cover rice. A guy over there have one like that size there and he say it can cover rice. Miss you travel go way over there and then you go back way over there. I say, yeah man, you come back with something nice. RJ, family at this part. All right, see then now. See you now, right now, good spot there, sir. Bevin, how you call a pole now? And the yam tick. If anybody want to order the yam tick fishing pole, check Bevin. The new style. You must seek a sponsor for the yam tick fishing pole.
Right now.
That's that.
Where's the line there? Oh, which line, man? Where's my fight now? You ramping up on that. You want some more fight? I'm afraid. A perch, you know? The line is short. You remember I want to feel it deep too. Tell me feeling two blows and skirt in top of that. Right in there someone drop it. Whoop! On the straight team, man.
It worm man. Come baby, yeah. Let me see if a school in that go or hospital. Yeah, you see the yam ticket so
No mas.
Bevin get one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Balik bang.
You can't cover rice.
You that thing can cover rice green.
See that? You get tired to jog. Yeah man, you know the pan yet.
Hey.
You miss man.
Hey, somebody, the one who have a red one.
I feel him like
Oh. In the paddy? Hey, bring him in. Hey. All right. You don't want him? Yeah, good job. Alright, yam tick gone again. Yam tick gone a bush again. Bevin. I not sure Bevin throw like na put it.
Don't not put him have to put it down, I can't show you. I'll tell you today.
Can't show.
Open line this.
That's that. Yo. Think how they look ticky, man.
Beam in your head. Oh, say, we're not funny now. Ready? On the ground. This is my one.
Think how they pretty.
You know, see me catch you. Yeah, man. Right, let's finish it.
Bevin catch one with the yam tick again. What's your biggest one, huh? Bevin. The yam tick they are going good, man. You have the right height. Eh? No fork.
When you last in a one?
You gonna get salt?
He said, my one down he'll say, you don't know, he must miss the road.
Oh my God.
And he kind of he said, man.
Can't last one.
Yeah, last way.
You can't tell you. Can't last one. Giant what? See that? Post it up on the for real, you know? Yeah, we brought my doctor now.
Yes.
Yeah, a class now.
Let me see if I school I want to go to.
Yeah. You want to go to school? You can go in a bread. But you want to go to school.
Let me see.
Go on up there, sir. Boy, you go to school. Bread, you going to I like it. But you want to go to school. Bread, you want to go in Are you mad? Right, this is your talk, Jai, and then there's a community down there. Hot there! Perfect show that recording. Can we write this again? Jai, when we try, we can't come back up. All when you can barely cover rice to blood pressure. What do you mean?
If you put him with the next one, man, we cover it. Yep, that's a go run. Don't catch nothing but. Yep, we're still here. She's done, so you know, sir. She fun. See? Pelican, they say you have 5 more minutes, but if you don't catch sitting, you go cook. Yeah, because we could have gone and cook the meat. Where fish there, Bevin? No, sir, you have to take a one good intention, not to do. What's for the big one, no?
I look at one of them love me today to film me there.
I'll be a surprise fish you get you?
Yeah, go join you. Yeah, go join your friend between Sabred. What up, sir?
I'll be a surprise fish for you. I'll be a surprise fish. Right. Now the second one this I never know say the party.
I don't know.
RJ frustrated. RJ say frustrated he can't get some fish. Oh God.
You must. Think the party now RJ take them and join me. There's a big stone upon that.
RJ have a big stone for the other fame line. No,
I
sir.
didn't appreciate for laugh after you. Oh, let me father. Right, this is it.
Oh God.
Right, this is it.
What's your Jailand tourist though? With a big towel and umbrella.
Yeah, I move like it don't want chicken.
Oh no, I came back with my chicken. Time to go look good. Hooking on your mouth side.
Book you in the most of the African
Oh, God.
superpower, right?
See it there?
Four. That's a long job. I don't force a damn it. Then if you come back, go see Market Street.
No, they come back and see you.
So where you see, me never see you now. What is it? So me come back and see me as a spotter.
One more big one again.
Hey.
Bigger.
Oh, man. Baby, what you say? You win the tournament.
It is.
Hey. Hey.
Big fish, girl.
Hey.
I like big fish.
Big swim around.
Yeah.
Big old fish. I like fish.
Like, no, right now, I am sick. I get sponsorship. Trust me. Watch Quiet Storm over there. So Quiet Storm, I get fish. Huh?
Right.
Quiet Storm, watch it. Boom.
We know catching none.
See what? Quiet Storm, I call him. Your name surprise, man. Your name surprise. When you say RJ, you don't want the grand. You don't want the grand.
Who was that? Boy, I'm going to remember. You didn't have to still out there wait.
A hot spot over there, so. Quiet Storm gone again. Bevin, you're supposed to get nervous now. You might not win the tournament now. Cause Quiet Storm gone about 3 over there, so in the last minute. Right now, surprise, good as have one, I don't know. Yeah, I'm take strike again.
5 gone, you know?
What's happening?
I bet Bevin don't catch a fish.
Wow, Bevin, I win the tournament. I want to talk to you.
What kind of fish too?
Hi, guys.
6 this make as you come.
Oh, you catch one, Nicole? Hey.
What is the fish them, man?
6 this make as you come.
Ja.
I want yam thick, Bevin, I use it. Wow. Hi, guys.
Hello.
You know you feel say I win the tournament so easily.
Yeah, I feel like a king, you know?
What's up, guys? I'm just moving some fish. I don't know if they're alive.
Oh, they're alive.
If you throw off, you take land.
Roshan, did you come prepared for camping?
Prepare for anything.
Tell me put your vest okay, so I don't turn over. Bevin gone again with the yam.
And a good size, that, you know?
Quiet Storm, I pull in something over there, so.
A good size one.
Alright. You can't charge $5 one to scale the one there.
Oh, you have one different bucket over there.
See, you have some in the bag, so. Oi! Hey! Oh, God. That I feel not even the turtle can eat the one there. What are you going to do with the prize money?
Alright, gentlemen.
I'm gonna give everything what they want.
Okay, good plan.
Man.
The same pan with Bevin?
No. Pan there, what is it?
Oh, yeah.
And that's what me there catch fish and he come there.
Yeah.
No, but I jump out type of it. Oh, sorry. No, Bevin.
Where's my bro?
How? Then look how long me did there with him. And I feel me.
We said many tried.
I feel me spotting can't take over, you know. What Joe to see, you know.
Yeah, guys, we are swimming around in Port. For us, swim around in. Oh, it's
I told me Bevin catch you a line. Bevin throw a line for you, you know?
I me throw a line.
Bevin throw a line.
I will throw a line. Okay, look.
But you need better, no baby. He say if you never catch one before, you not pop up and go. Dip. Take a little dip. Dip. Take a little dip. Dip.
I'm going low. Dip. You really thought I would go that low?
Alright, boss, what you say? You catch a school as
Easy does it. Regular day.
what you say? Bread I go sandwich that up, not true?
Quick.
Indeed, for true man, me show you. That true man, me sources to make so cat.
How did you ask that?
Oh, you know so much.
Yeah. A man will go there and granny know.
Yep, that's true. You have to grow the granny.
What are we? She grow that granny, me grow my granny. Baby grow.
So you know, you must try to call a Liam name when I call.
I rock granny. I said a granny.
No, but you know, I don't send Vincent my granny used to say that to me, you know? Me get too uptown now.
You come like you man, don't want to go Hagley Park Road, but he...
Pigly Park.
Yeah, it's a Pigly Park Road. No?
Taxi pass.
Nobody not deep enough. No, man, not going to the water because I can't swim. Yo, I don't go there and kill everything. Roger will come for you, madam. Roger bad. Roger come for you now.
You right?
What are you?
I mean, I eat that one there, no?
That one, the nice one. That's the biggest one. What you do? You chum the water?
Why you chum this one?
They want go right around the side, all the way around.
Adventure.
You love it.
Yeah, love
You love it. Adventure. You love
Guys, let me tell you a piece of story. I take off
My
one.
battery dead. My battery dead.
Guys, let me tell you one piece of story.
My battery died. My battery died.
Guys, let me tell you one piece of story. No, but take off one sharp, some wood. Yeah, me want to sharpen it now. My ancestor, me can't kill no bird. Bird out there fry, leave me. I was about to kill them.
No, why you want to kill the bird? Lego the bird. You know your song say Lego the bird. Why you still kill the bird? Lego the bird. Lego the bird. Lego the bird. Lego the bird. Lego the. Hey, Lego the bird. Hey. Set him back. My bite hard enough. Hey, see him there now? Alright. Watch him. I want good size one, you know? See there?
Fry. Hot tile, you know?
Hot tile.
Get me to a river.
What's that?
I'm gonna swim.
Hook him.
Them a dry down. And out more and everything can run.
Oh, so if they go straight down, then just play with it.
There's a dry and let it go. And then it go so also. Anyway, it go dry opposite direction.
Okay.
Because I freelance line, you know.
Oh,
And the line with what you call this stinker.
okay. Wait, me have to be the laziest cameraman this, no? The laziest cameraman this a coming, no? Cameraman a come slowly but surely. I can't walk no faster. Are all the married on the phone still?
Yeah. Watch
Oh,
out.
you so ugly, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
This can cover rice and
Yeah.
now.
Yes,
How
so-
that? With the blood. Watch out. I'm here sending my doctor here now. I said, I'm looking out there. I'm shooting us about. You been a doctor?
Aldemar. You know, shout out One Life Adventures TV.
As usual, at least man, me watch you vlog them when you kill piece of bundle.
Boop, boop, boop. Yes, if I wicked at you,
What?
it was terrible. Melly got look sorrowful. Yeah. What you say? Earlier, you be here. Somebody said, somebody must go for some one peg and garlic. Come. People pump every line.
Yo, go ahead, go ahead. I can't be going in there.
Patience is a virtue, the biggest catch of the day. Let's go. Hey. All right now. Yay. Nice.
The biggest one we caught.
Yo, that's a whole day, no?
Morning, daddy.
Whole day, oh, that's
Tell us
a...
to move.
Let me see him hold him up. Let me see. Yeah. All right. All right. No bother. Put him in that bucket. No bother.
I hold him for you, man.
Let me go for you, for you.
No, man, we can't. All right, then I put him in there, man.
All right. Yeah. So the tournament winner there. Hey.
That's the biggest one we caught.
Yeah, that's the biggest one all day.
Exactly.
that, me done.
We are the winners.
A whole day.
Sorry, sir.
Whole day you're there, sir.
Sorry, sir.
People them love him, man. A very nice star, sure.
Yeah, I'm in a fire roasting.
So, should I have some music up? Let's go, should I have some music up for you?
Let me go one day.
Yep. Trust me. You have to water from back to your car.
Yeah.
You still try? Oh God, man, that's something enough. Yep, we're wrapping it up for the day. We caught a lot of fish, some a little small, but nevertheless a good catch. So we're gonna clean up. We're gonna leave this space better than we found it, because that's the responsible thing to do. And we're gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. No show off, my show off, but coming through, and jump off my head. Tomato flag on. Well, guys, this was a good day. We had an accident, but it's all good. Nobody was hurt, so we're gonna enjoy life anyway. Right. Eh? Eh? Alright, it's still God no. Big up One Life Adventures TV. They know we done fish and we're gonna take a swim in the river. You see?
I'm gonna catch it good, you know? That's an immediate expectation. Go on, go on. Yo!
Another one, two less on the level one, you know level less up. So when you...
That we catch good. That we catch good.
Yo, I'm just gone, you want to turn further?
So look here. Alright, what about you? Let's not two less on the level, you know? So when you do some boom and flip over, no, you couldn't that bullet.
Yo.
Whistle and something.
Oh, goodness, for us everything.
Watch it now.
How are they doing?
You want to talk about that? I want to man and
John every day. Come on, I'm going. I'm very in there.
We used to go blue hole and sand and
Go look at blue hole.
yeah, but
I don't you.
I mean, so look what I mean. I don't jump for blue hole.
You know,
Turned out to be a good day. One Life Adventures TV. Yay!